The crucial role of Houston truck accident injury attorneys in ensuring justice for victims. Understanding the severity of truck accidents. Truck accidents in Houston can lead to catastrophic outcomes, leaving victims with severe injuries and emotional trauma. In such distressing circumstances, the significance of skilled Houston truck accident injury attorneys cannot be overstated. These legal experts play a pivotal role in securing justice and rightful compensation for the affected individuals. The expertise of Houston's legal professionals. Within Houston's legal landscape, a multitude of proficient attorneys specialize in handling truck accident injury cases. Their extensive knowledge of state-specific laws and regulations allows them to navigate the complexities of the legal system with precision and finesse. By leveraging their expertise, they effectively represent the best interests of their clients, ensuring they receive compensation they deserve. Unraveling the legal complexity of truck accident cases. Navigating the legal intricacies surrounding truck accidents demands comprehensive knowledge and a strategic approach. Accomplished Houston truck accident injury attorneys meticulously examine the details of each case, collecting crucial evidence and building a compelling argument to present in court. Their meticulous preparation and attention to detail often serve as the differentiating factor in securing favorable outcomes for their clients. Pursuing just compensation for suffering and losses. The aftermath of a truck accident often involves substantial financial and emotional strain for the victims and their families. Houston's dedicated attorneys work tirelessly to pursue just compensation, covering medical expenses, loss of income, and emotional distress. By advocating for the rights of their clients, they strive to alleviate the burden and facilitate a smoother path toward recovery. Prompt action and timely legal intervention. In legal matters related to truck accidents, time is of the essence. Seeking legal assistance promptly can significantly impact the trajectory of the case. Houston truck accident injury attorneys promptly initiate investigations, gather essential evidence, and ensure that all necessary legal protocols are adhered to, thereby maximizing the likelihood of a favorable resolution for their clients. Leveraging a collaborative approach for success. Successful resolution of truck accident cases often involves collaboration with various professionals, including accident reconstruction experts and medical specialists. Houston's reputable legal firms foster partnerships with these experts, enabling them to build comprehensive and compelling cases. This collaborative approach enhances the strength of their legal arguments, setting the stage for successful outcomes for their clients. Providing comprehensive support for clients. Beyond their legal expertise, Houston truck accident injury attorneys offer comprehensive support to their clients. They provide guidance and assistance throughout the legal process, offering a compassionate and empathetic approach that prioritizes the well-being and recovery of their clients. By fostering a sense of trust and assurance, they empower individuals to focus on their physical and emotional healing. In conclusion, when faced with the aftermath of a traumatic truck accident in Houston, entrusting your legal matters to skilled and experienced attorneys can make a significant difference. Their expertise, combined with their compassionate approach, ensures that the rights of the victims are protected and that justice is served. Don't navigate the complex legal landscape alone. Seek the guidance and support of Houston's dedicated truck accident injury attorneys for the resolution and compensation you rightfully deserve.